Right now at 5, despite criticism from state and local health communities, Wisconsin Senator Ron Johnson held a press conference today with a handful of people who said they experienced adverse reactions from the COVID-19 vaccine. Johnson, who has not gotten the vaccine, wants more attention paid to side effects. We're going to hear from those who oppose that message. But first, Taylor Lumpkin joins us live. And Taylor, what does Senator Johnson and his supporters have to say?
Well, the Centers for Disease Control has said that there's always been a small percentage of people who might experience adverse reactions. But today's group said they just wanted to share their stories in hopes of starting a conversation.
We are asking to be seen, we are asking to be heard, and we're asking to be believed.
CANDACE HAYDEN was one of 6 people who came to share their stories Monday. Although her doctor and the doctors of most others at the press conference refused to draw a connection to the vaccine, CANDACE says she experienced several problems following the shot.
I was suffering from severe paresthesia and was partially paralyzed from my chest down.
From shooting pain in their bodies to being unable to move, each and every person recalled the moments of what they say their life has been since getting their vaccine.
I lost control of my legs and my bladder, along with my dignity.
On January 14th, I received the Moderna vaccine. The next morning, I woke up with severely swollen lymph nodes in my neck.
Wisconsin Senator Ron Johnson says he does recognize that the vaccine is saving lives, but in his eyes, the CDC and other health officials aren't being fully transparent when it comes to the adverse reactions people can experience after getting the shot.
I think the American public should be able to have informed consent when deciding whether or not to take a experimental vaccine one way or the other.
Stephanie GARAY says her 12-year-old daughter Maddie participated in the Pfizer COVID vaccine trial last year, but has not been the same since.
Over the past 5 months, Maddie has been to the ER 9 times and has been hospitalized 3 times for a total of 2 months. She was totally fine before this. She did the right thing trying to help everybody else, and they're not helping her.
In the end, these participants say they just want others to know what they went through.
That small minority that are suffering severe symptoms. We want to deny that reality.
I'm not advocating anything other than to listen to these people, to see them, and take them seriously.
Now, the people at today's press conference came from all across the country, not just Wisconsin, including Cheryl Ruckers, who is the wife of former Packer Ken Ruckers. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Taylor Lumpkin, TMJ4 News.
Taylor, thank you very much.